Hello. Today I wanted to talk to you about a really cool new feature that we've added for our eSchool students. It's called Canvas Questions. If you take a look on the left-hand side of your Canvas course, you're going to see what I like to call the ladder. You'll see things like eSchool dashboard, grades, modules, but the important part for this one is Canvas Questions. If you click on it, it's going to ask you to open a new tab. What this is showing you here are the dates and times that you can pop in and ask our IT specialists questions about how to manage or navigate Canvas. You can see that they're available every Tuesday, except for one day in January, between 3 and 5. If you look here, this is where you will go in order to log into the room where you can talk directly with any of our IT specialists. This feature will be helpful for you in case you have some general questions about Canvas, or maybe more specific questions like, I'm trying to upload a video and I don't know the best way. I try to make walkthroughs to help you all, but I know that sometimes it can get confusing. So our IT specialists are on hand to help you out. Make sure that if you have some questions about Canvas, you need a little bit more support navigating Canvas, or maybe you're just working on one assignment that you need specific support on, that you attend one of the walk-ins every Tuesday from 3 to 5. Hope that helps.